If Gurgaon is the crown of real estate in Delhi NCR, then there is one location which is definitely the jewel in the crown, DLF Cyber City. With its vivid skyscrapers and excellent road infrastructure, DLF Cyber City is the symbol of rising India. Hi, I am Naveen Tomar from Quest for Realty, and today in this video I am going to take you to DLF Cyber City. It is not just an office space location, it is the dream, the aspiration and a status symbol for every entrepreneur or company. Everybody wants to have an office there. So stay glued till the end of this video to experience it all. You know, every time I come to Cyber City, it reminds me of the Gotham City from Batman movie. I mean, literally, DLF is the one who made this city. And God knows, maybe in future somebody from the DLF family would become the local Batman of India, or the savior of India, or savior of Gurgaon. Literally, man, they've got their own power plant. DLF Cyber City is the largest business district in Delhi NCR, which is spread across 125 acres. Cyber City is snuggled across a humongous 15 million square feet operational workspace that is home to Fortune 500 companies as well as Indian cutting-edge enterprises. Cyber City offers an impeccable workplace ecosystem loaded with world-class amenities. It is truly a self-sustained workplace ecosystem with its captive power plant, fire station, banks, hospitals, schools, creche, restaurants, entertainment zones and a metro track which encircles the area and connects all important points and buildings with Delhi NCR. Talking about the connectivity, Cyber City has great connectivity and it is accessible by all modes of transport. Those coming from South Delhi or Noida can take MG Road or Yellow Metro line, and people coming from other parts of Delhi NCR can come via NH48. IGI Airport is located only 10 kilometers away from Cyber City. Cyber City is a very high demand office space location, and the rent and inventory keeps on changing. Currently, the per square feet price for renting an office space is approximately 135 rupees per square feet. The rent at Cyber City increases by 6 to 8 rupees per square feet annually, and usually the inventory levels are also only at 2%. However, this year due to the COVID-19 situation, the developer has not escalated the rents and the inventory levels are at approximately 8%. So this is the right time to rent an office space at Cyber City as the developer has more flexibility. Since Cyber City is located adjacent to NH48, so for people working here, there are lots of options available when it comes to accommodation needs. For PGs, one room studio or 1 BHK, they can opt for DLF Phase 3, which is right next to Cyber City. For 2 BHK or bigger configuration, they can choose Sector 22, 23, Palam Vihar, MG Road, etc. And for more premium accommodation, they can choose DLF Phase 1 to DLF Phase 5, Golf Course Road and Sushant Lok. Some people also commute from Dwarka Expressway as it provides modern homes at a value for money price.
If you're wondering why I have taken off my jacket, after all, work is not everything in life. You need work-life balance and fun as well. So now I'm going to take you to one of the best places to hang out in Delhi NCR, DLF Cyber Hub, which is an extra perk of working at Cyber City.
DLF Cyber Hub is a landmark retail destination of Gurgaon which comprises of restaurants, pubs and breweries, food court and entertainment zones. It is also a favorite go-to place for every age group and attracts huge number of visitors every day. It is a textbook example of what a retail destination should be like. My words are not sufficient to explain it. I would say that you can only experience it once you visit it. So come and experience it.
And if you want to explore some more locations or projects like this, then click on the I button above after watching this video. Thank you for watching our videos. Keep sharing, keep liking our videos, and if you liked our work, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want us to cover some more locations or other projects, then you can mention them in the comment section below. We would love to cover them up in our future videos.